Hello there, in this video I will show you how to log out Gmail account from all devices using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Gmail application. Tap on your profile icon. Now select the account that you want to remove from another device or all devices. Tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Security. Scroll down and tap on Manage all devices. Now select the device that you want to log out from. For example, I am tapping here. Tap on Sign Out. Tap Sign Out once again. Tap OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.